excited by the launch of the Wales Coast Path. We're showcasing something really fantastic to the world.
Just absolutely perfect scenery.
Stunning.
Absolutely fantastic.
You've got mountains, you've got the sea, you've got islands, and you can see it all from the coast path. It's amazing.
Starts here at Chepstow, goes all around Wales.
People who are walking the coast path, a lot of them use the local businesses.
The opening of the coast path has helped to increase numbers that are actually arriving on the beaches and to the campsites and to the local area as well.
Since the coast path has come into fruition, it's opened the gower to everyone.
A lot of countries actually haven't got that heritage, that culture to celebrate in the way that perhaps Wales has got.
With the opening of a coast path, it's actually made people realise that the potential for walking, along the coastline is huge.
It's brought different groups of tourists down. We've been out and about doing events on the actual coastal path.
I would say we're up by at least 40%. Business-wise, it's a lot better, a lot better.
Now the coast path's fully open, it's fantastic because we can actually walk places that we've only looked at in the past.
The coast path has been tremendous for us. I think it's put Wales on a global map.
Visitors to Wales, there's also so many other things that they can do.
Kayaking,
Coast steering, horse riding,
camping, all sorts of those crazy things.
Feeling this land beneath my feet, there's little to match that. It's very hard to think of a better view than the one that's over my shoulder.
That's part of the reason people come here, is just to experience something a little bit, bespoke. It's Welsh.